In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger. If you want to make sure a subscription does not renew automatically, Hostinger gives you a simple way to manage that directly from your account settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can turn off auto-renewal quickly and confidently. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your settings and services are visible. This is important because the auto-renewal option is managed from your billing section, not from the website editor or hosting control panel. Next, click on your profile. You'll usually find this in the upper area of the screen, where account-related options are grouped together. Opening your profile menu is the first step to accessing the billing tools connected to your account. From there, click on Billing. This section is where Hostinger keeps your payment details, invoices, and subscription settings. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry. It's designed to help you manage everything related to your plan in one place. Once you're in Billing, click on Subscription. This is the section that shows the plans or services currently connected to your account. Here, you'll be able to review the renewal settings for the service you want to manage. Take your time to confirm that you're looking at the correct subscription before making any changes, especially if you have more than one active service. In the subscription area, this is where you can disable auto-renewal. Look for the auto-renewal setting or toggle connected to your active plan. To turn it off, simply toggle off auto-renewal. After you do that, the subscription will no longer renew automatically at the end of the current billing period. It's a good idea to double-check that the setting is updated properly before leaving the page. If the toggle shows that auto-renewal is off, then the change has been applied successfully. Keep in mind that turning off auto-renewal does not cancel your current service immediately. You'll still be able to use your plan until the end of the paid period, but it won't renew on its own after that. And that's it. That's how to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger. If you found this helpful, you can revisit these same account billing settings anytime you want to manage your subscriptions again.